what it do is Black Jesus. Nah, that's the vegan guy. But you know, Jesus is the son of the vegan guy. Let me stay focused. But this is my fried cabbage with the vegan sausage. Ooh, y'all want the recipe? I might give it to you. It was really very simple. But all right, let me. I'm from the Midwest. They call it the South, but technically it's the Mid. I don't know how it's the Midwest. It should be the Mid East, but we use Franks. On God, yeah, that's what we use. Franks. Get that going. But yeah, man, let's get into this. Fire. Sweet potato cornbread. I got a recipe for y'all. This sweet potato cornbread, don't use any egg. No egg substitute. Just sweet potatoes, cornmeal, and a little butter. You hear me? I'm gonna give you that recipe. Stay tuned with me. Stay tuned. See how perfect it comes out? Does that look good? It looks amazing. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on here. Wow. Oh my God. If I find a woman that can cook this good, I'll marry her. God. Oh God, this is fire. But nah, if y'all want the recipe, man, tap in with your boy. Let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and give it to you for the free, scot free. And I'm gonna show you how I made it. YouTube and free recipe. I got some left. Who won't pull up on me? I got plenty left. I'm telling you. If you don't like this, I'll give you $20. I'll give you 20, on God. Need some water.